Namaste everyone, welcome to the Drape Therapy with me, Harsha. Today we are going to learn Athpourey Sari Draping. This drape is from Bengal and people usually wear it on the occasion of Durga Puja. So I have chosen this sari for this drape by KALKI with a matching blouse. And don't forget to wear your heels and shapewear before you start the drape. We have to take one end of the sari and start tucking it into the shapewear. This is our first and the most basic step to take a round while tucking your sari into the shapewear. Okay, so we have completed our first step. Now let's move on to the second step, in which we are going to make the pallu pleats. We have to reach out to the second end of the sari, make pleats with the help of your hand, and you can take someone's help if you need. After making the pleats, you have to secure it with safety pins. और मैं आपको एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट बात बताऊंगी, इस ड्रेप में हम पल्लू को बैक से घुमा के नहीं लेते, डायरेक्ट फ्रंट से लेते हैं. Now that our pleats are done, we are going to place it on our left shoulder from the front. And remember, you have to keep the pallu length till the floor. अब हमें बनाना है waist pleats with the help of our hands, exactly the way we made pallu pleats. We'll start making the pleats from the right side. प्लीट्स बनाने के बाद आप इसे सेफ्टी पिन से भी सिक्योर कर सकते हैं. एंड व्हेन वी आर डन मेकिंग द प्लीट्स, वी आर गोइंग टू टक इट इनटू आवर शेपवेयर. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू आवर सेकंड लास्ट स्टेप. यहाँ से एक्स्ट्रा फैब्रिक हम निकाल के बैक साइड में पिन कर देंगे. बट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सिक्योर अ पल्लू विद अ सेफ्टी पिन. After pinning the pallu, we are going to pin this extra part at our back. And now we are left with the last step, in which we are going to take this corner of the pallu from the back to the front. ऐसे ही पल्लू फ्रंट में लेके पल्लू प्लीट्स के सेंटर में पिन कर देंगे. While securing it with a safety pin, you can set the pleats with the help of your hands. And you're done with the drape. Isn't this looking pretty? Now you can finish the look with some jewelry and a bag. I just loved making this video for you all. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this drape. And I'll see you in my next video.